Honorable speakers and respected house. Honorable speakers, after listening to almost 2 hours and 37 minutes, I would like to thank the members of today's treasury bench for coming here one after one and telling us about the shortcomings of our education system in India. But none of the members, honorable speakers, have been able to establish us how this National Education Policy 2020 will be established, will be implemented in the whole country to bring the radical changes of our country. Honorable speakers, the fifth members speaking for today's president mentioned about technical education converted 64 class. Let me remind you, honorable speaker sir, that 64 class also include the 25th class, which is Panak Rasa Yojana, the art of drinking. 59th class, the Gyota Visha, the art of gambling. The 60th class, the Vastra Goshana, the art of stealing and hiding clothes. So, honorable speakers, I would like to question the members of today's president that in the name of radical change, are they trying to promote the art of drinking, gambling, and stealing among the students of India? Honorable speakers, that this national education policy on one hand talks of social exclusion, but does not give a single sentence of women education in its 484 pages. And hence, honorable speakers, analyzing this whole proposal from the perspective of number one, competitive funding, number two, pedagogy and curriculum, and number three, autonomy, I take my stand against the motion. Honorable speakers, of this policy very thankfully separates the regulatory power from funding power and mentions that private universities and colleges will have equal access to public funding. No, honorable speakers, imagine a college in the hills of Ladakh. Imagine a college in the hills of Northeast India competing with the topmost private colleges of India with advanced technology, amenities, facilities, as well as faculties. Honorable speakers, this will be nothing else. I can assure you, this will only lead to a pre-planned strategic death of the less privileged colleges, and hence, honorable speakers, this cannot be termed as radical change because, honorable speakers, the natives of the place will suffer from the basic rights due to the slow death of such institutions. Moving on, honorable speakers, talking about pedagogy and curriculum, let me remind that there are various concepts in this field which are totally unachievable. Honorable speakers, 6.2.1 takes the data of UISDE that of 2014 in this year of 2022. Article 5 of this policy talks about the essence of teacher, but does not talk about the preparedness of institutional preparedness of the teachers. And hence, honorable speakers, moreover, the pedagogy as well as the technology needs to be conferred, which this policy fails to establish. Honorable speakers, the policy talks of flexibility, choice, and experimentation. But honorable speakers, imagine how disastrous it will be to prepare a curriculum of a class where 1 year diploma students studies together with 4 year undergraduate students. And hence, honorable speakers, I would like to say that education system of India is not a packet of Maggi that will read the instructions and open the packet and prepare it in 2 minutes. It requires adaptation, speakers. And honorable speakers, this can be seen lacking in this education policy because of the lack of preparedness, of theoretical concept of textbook preparation. And hence, honorable speakers, opposing this bill stands tall and justified. Lastly, honorable speakers, let me talk about autonomy. Let me give you an example. The University of Dibrugarh and University of Guwahati has a 3-year undergraduate program. But despite evaluating all these 3-year programs, they are unable to admit their own students to their own postgraduate programs based on these evaluation marks. This means that the universities are not compelled and confident enough over their own evaluation process. So if this is the scenario at the university level, imagine what will happen when autonomy will be given to the colleges with less infrastructure, less staff. Honorable speakers, this will lead to nothing else but indulging the research to do more clerical job instead of this when at the time the PTR ratio of India should have been less than 1:18. Honorable speakers, as just by naming your pet dog Einstein does not make it Albert Einstein, similarly, pointing the term autonomy in the name of the same procedure, same infrastructure does not bring the radical changes. With this, I would like to appeal to members sitting in both the benches today to come together, join hands, and oppose this bill today for the better sake of the students of this nation, for the better sake of the people and youth of this country. Thank you, honorable speakers. Thank you, respected House.